At least 25 people have been killed in Central Europe as a result of severe frost and snowstorms. In Poland, 17 people died of the cold weather over the weekend, bringing the death toll since November to 65. Temperatures have dropped to minus 30 degrees in the Czech Republic, where mostly homeless people have fallen victim to the cold snap. In Bulgaria, snowfall and high winds blocked roads and left more than 75,000 households without power. In some areas, almost a metre of new snow has fallen over the last 2 days. Winters like these, with this much snow years ago, was something normal, this man says. Something we were used to. We would have expected even more snow. Elsewhere, dozens of flights, ferries and trains have been cancelled, with travel heavily disrupted in Italy. Weather forecasters expect the extreme weather to continue for several days, giving an unusual white coating to a number of towns in the south of the country.